Example problem 1 asks us for the speed of sound through ice, which is going to be c. And we're going to designate it as c sound because later you will see that there is also a c for light. So the speed of sound through ice, and then later we're going to calculate the speed of light in a different chapter. So we have two variables that they give us. They tell us B is called the bulk modulus and it's measured in units of pascals. And D is the density and it's measured in the same old kilograms per meters minus 3. So the equation for this is C sound equals the square root of B divided by D. And so you definitely need your scientific calculators for this one. So we're calculating the C of sound. You could just abbreviate it C of S. It's going to equal the square root of 8.8 times 10 to the 9th pascals, which is the correct unit, divided by 920 kilograms meters minus 3, which is also the correct units for this. So second square root sign, open parentheses, 8.8 second e to the 9th divided by 920 close parentheses. So I'll write what it looks like in my calculator for you guys. So usually for a Texas Instrument, you have to press second, and then I press the, it looks like this, x squared button, but it may be different on your calculator if you don't have the Texas Instrument. And so inside of my calculator, it looks like open parentheses, 8.8 e to the 9 divided by 920, close parentheses. And so you press enter, and so C of sound is going to equal 3.09 times 10 to the 3rd meters per second. So because it is a speed, we do treat it like it's a velocity, and so we measure it in units of meters per second. Let me know if you have any questions about example problem 1.